that is super fun and it's intriguing as well. So tell us something about your film and about your character as well.
Well, the film, as you just stated, it is fun, it is entertaining. After a long time, it's going to be a situational comedy, and it's an out family entertainer. It is on something that concerns you and I. Demonetization jab hua tha, remember? It was chaos. So usi chaos pe ye situational comedy banai hai, and it's so much fun. It is so relatable, and my experience, like I feel I'm really lucky because I'm being they are known to launch a series of actresses, and what I really like about them is they give chance to new talent. You know, to bet your money on a new talent, and more than that, to believe. That is something I feel I'm very lucky. So a good production, an excellent script. It's fun out and out. When I read the script now, I was like, I have to do this because I've never really done comedy before. Like the 4 shows that I've done earlier on television. Kabhi comedy nahi tha. There was a versatility in the characters that I played. From Karol Bagh to Subreen to Itti Si Khushi to Dil Sambhal Ja Zara, which is a great character. But comedy is something kabhi hua nahi. So jab ye hua, I said to bas tera hua.
Nice. So, nice.
Yeah, I'm saying the song. So mera experience so ekdam hi awesome. The character that I play Neha actually. So Neha is a jugadu ladki, which I'm just not. So again, this is something which is like a 180 degree from what I am and whatever I played. Neha Jugadu hai. She's a real estate agent. She's I won't really say a con woman, but you know, चीजें मैच करती है. अगर उसको manipulate करना होता है तो वो थोड़ा वो भी कर लेती है.
So in Tera Hua, I'll also plug in the song. Tera Hua, we have seen a few romantic moments, you and Amol kissing as well. So how break the ice?
You see, the girl goes for the kiss. You know, how many times do we see the girl diving in? Isme to she just holds the collar and says, come here, kiss me. So, break the ice. You know, there was no breaking the ice. I'll tell you the story. So, my director came. Rishabh Seth is the director. He's very good. उन्होंने story भी लिखी है. And बहुत ही कमाल के actor भी हैं वो actually. तो बस shoot start हुआ. Round trolley लगी. जो आपने सीन देखा उसमें नहीं देखा. Round trolley उसमें नहीं लगी थी. But and he came. He's like, हाँ तो बस अभी ये है और तुम दोनों किस कर लो. I said what? हाँ तो किस कर लो. Order. And that was it. And I think it was the second day of the shoot, yeah. So, you know, we've barely really warmed up and all of that. And then I'm looking at Amol, and Amol is looking, he's like, हाँ तो कर लो kiss. So I said, what? So when you talk about breaking the ice, it was just, you know, on job, fat. And I was really shy because I'm very shy as a person. So, Achha, I'll tell you another thing. तो उसके बाद मेरा जो मजाक उड़ा because my hands started to shake. Now, I didn't realize my hands are shaking. So till now my director pulls my leg because the girl's hand is जो shot की बात कर रही हूँ जो आपने नहीं देखा है. ये जो kiss देखी आपने trailer में वो तो subsequently आई थी. So my hand is on the character Amol, Arman's chest. I was shaking and I didn't realize. You know, and I managed the shot, and uske baad everybody was laughing at me. So when you talk about breaking the ice, this is how it was done. But Amol was a gentleman and very patient. And this is my first kiss on screen. What I really liked, I just want to add here, jab ye script, because I've been getting a lot of film scripts for a very long time. And off late aisa ho gaya hai, there's a kiss to have a kiss. In this script, the kiss was not, you know, just to grab the audience. Yeah, you know, if you see, aapne dekha hai trailer mein, it leads on to the story. So the girl, when she holds the guys, Neha jab Arman ko pakadti hai, usko kiss karti hai, she does it because aage story mein kuch hoga. So that is the reason I said I'll go ahead with it. And my director said, you're not going to shoot it in a way, you know, where the focus is just on it.
Smriti, we have learned that you used to work with this news channel. Then you were in RJ. Then you worked in TV and now in film. So how the whole transition and journey has been till now?
लाइफ क्या है, एक ही जिंदगी है, उसको जीना है. जब हम आइसक्रीम खाने जाते हैं तो हम चॉकलेट भी ट्राई करना चाहते हैं, स्ट्रॉबेरी भी ट्राई करना चाहते हैं, बटर स्कॉच भी ट्राई करना चाहते हैं, वनीला शायद नहीं करना चाहते पर कुछ लोग करते हैं. इट इज जस्ट लाइक दैट. When I started out, I'm so sorry I didn't ask your name. Please forgive me for that.
Oh, Sunidhi.
Sunidhi, आपने introduce ही नहीं किया actually अपने आप को. Okay, so Sunidhi, when I started off, so I was a science student. From science, I did my honors in journalism, जो arts हो जाता है. उसके बाद हम MBA के लिए बैठे, जो थोड़ा commerce हो जाता है. So, but I always knew that I want to get into media. But media में ना क्या करना है नहीं पता था. Like जैसे मेरा बैकग्राउंड है, मैं एक आर्मी बैकग्राउंड से आती हूँ. My father is a retired general. My sibling is a software professional. मैंने इस जाने से MBA फिर बाहर काम करा उन्होंने. तो और हमारे पूरे घर का सेटअप लाइक CA हैं, डॉक्टर्स हैं. तो मीडिया में कोई नहीं था. तो ठीक है, घुस गए. But I was very sure that I have to do my honors in journalism. So Delhi University में घुस गए. उसके बाद I remember जब 2-3 क्लासेस हुई, मुझे लगा कि मैं तो कुछ सीख ही नहीं रही हूँ. What am I doing? Just book की चीजें हो रही हैं. So the moment I entered, I said I have to start working. I just want to dabble and enjoy and see क्या है. So my first internship was with CNBC TV18.
Right.
So फिर वो ट्राई किया. फिर मैंने सोचा कि अच्छा, तो मुझे किसी ने PR के लिए बोला और बोला कि आपको पैसे मिलेंगे. और कॉलेज में आपको पैसे की तो मतलब बहुत किल्लत होती है, दिक्कत होती है. So PR किया, then newspaper join किया. So I just was checking out, different waters and what really interests me. But the person that I am, I really love learning and, learning new things, imbibing new things, experiencing new things. Because I genuinely, Sunidhi, feel कि एक ही लाइफ है, सब कुछ जीना है, सब कुछ करना है. तो ये ट्राई करते करते देन RJ किया. तो RJ का ऐसा था कि कॉलेज में होता ना, RJ हंट हो रहा है, RJ हंट हो रहा है. तो रेडियो मिर्ची RJ हंट हो रहा था. तो बूथ्स लगे हुए थे. तो हम सब फ्रेंड्स पहुंच गए वहां पे कि एक करके एक पैरा था, वो बोलना था. सो आई गेव द ऑडिशन एंड पूरी इंडिया में से there were 35,000 contestants. So I got selected and I won the competition. But that time Mirchi wanted me to come to Bombay. अब मुंबई आने का कोई प्लान नहीं था because I was studying and I had no interest. So Red FM poached me. Red FM said कि join us. So I said, पैसे दोगे? So they said, yeah, you will get this money. I said, I am in. So that was RJ हुआ. Then when I was RJ, one of my friends, I started getting bored, because I'd learned and I hold the record of the fastest jock to go on air. But I was not prepared. I was not tutored. ऐसा था, genuinely ऐसा था, यहाँ से उठाया और बोला कि on air चले जाओ. So उसके बाद सोचा कि क्या करूं. So one of my friends was doing theatre. So he said, theatre करेगी? I said, हाँ. So he's like, आजा शाम को. तो मैं चली गई शाम को. So the director ने बोला ये line पढ़ो. So I read the line and he said, you're in. So I said, okay. And that was my first play. And again, nobody tutored me anything. He said, you're a natural. And I was working, I was studying. तो मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं था कि मैं रिहर्स करूं. तो अब आया मेन फर्स्ट डे ऑफ माय प्ले. Sunidhi, I was never taught anything on throw the voice, जो भी प्ले में और थिएटर में होता है. So I had no idea. So I was opening the play, which is a big thing apparently कि open कर रहे हो. तो मैंने डायलॉग बोलना स्टार्ट किया. पीछे my director is shouting at me. I'm like, what am I doing? So I come back and my director is like, throw your voice, throw your voice. Now, I had no idea what throw your voice is because nobody tutored me anything. So, okay, fine. For सारे scenes हुए, play खत्म हुआ. My parents are sitting right there. They bought the tickets. First time, the child is on the stage. I was so depressed because when the play got over, I was like, बहुत खराब किया मैंने. So my director is calling at 11 o'clock in the night. I'm like, ये क्यों call कर रहे हैं? So he's going to shout at me. I was not picking. So he kept calling. I said, 3 दिन का शो है, 3 दिन निकाल लो और फिर this is it, no acting. but he called me to congratulate me because वहाँ पे media आई हुई थी. So जैसे आपके news journals and newspapers, Indian Express, so they carried out an article that this is a young talent and she's bright and all of that. And then वहाँ से I got my first show. Then I did my first show in Delhi only, Sunidhi. And I had no plans of coming to Mumbai. So the reason I did my first show was because पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी, acting भी हो जाएगी, fun भी हो जाएगा. And trust me, after my first show, I was done with acting. I said नहीं करना है because it's very difficult. Like 16 घंटे आप काम कर रहे हो. But then people typecast in our industry. So I was being typecast for a role. So then I took it on my ego. That's when I came to Bombay. And then the second show, the third, the fourth. Then all of the other things that I did, and now I'm doing the film. So yeah, it's been quite a journey.
Right. And so you always have been, on and off the screen. We haven't seen you consistent on the screen. Is there any specific reason, like you wait for a, perfect project?
Absolutely. I'm very glad that you're actually answering half of my questions. You just answered. Yes, it's by choice that I keep taking breaks. In fact, I was just talking to my mother कि मेरे जो career span में मैंने काम कम किया है और मैंने breaks ज़्यादा लिए. मतलब जो मेरा break period होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Primarily because I will just take a minute from my first show, which I played an elder woman who was very fat, to then a schoolgirl who was so green, to then a child woman who was in coma, to then a grey character, to then I did a short film, to then now this film. So, to get these roles, you have to wait. जैसे एक शेर होता है ना अपने उसका शिकार के लिए वो आराम से बैठता है और वेट करता है. So I'm just like that. I wait for a different role. Because as I said, I love learning and love growing. And that is something inherent in me. So, जैसे मुझे कुछ different दिखता है, तो then I pounce on it. So, it is by choice that I've taken breaks. And because हर बार आप थोड़े time बाद आते हो तो fresh भी लगता है. Audience को भी लगता है fresh. So, yes. So, that is the reason.
All right. So now the theaters are opening in Maharashtra as well and all over the country, basically. Do you think that viewers and the audience will consume the OTT contents as much as they were consuming during the pandemic?
Absolutely. The reason being, OTT में आपको एक बहुत एक सुविधा मिलती है कि आप ऑटो में बैठ के, गाड़ी में बैठ के, सोफे पे बैठ के, आपने जहां फिल्म स्टॉप करी, आपने जहां शो स्टॉप किया, आप उसको वहां से पिकअप कर सकते हो. और आजकल हमें सबे the way we are, how our lifestyle is, we are rushed. तो आपको समय मिलता है कि आप to imagine the power in your fingertip, that you pause and you play. So that power, it empowers you. So anything that is empowering, you will grab onto it. So OTT is not going anywhere, be it theaters. In fact, I am very glad that OTT का पूरा scenario आ गया है because now television and films, they have competition. They have to pull up their socks. Because OTT में इतना content है, it's like a buffet 24/7. It's like कुछ भी pick कर लो, कभी भी देख लो. So television and films को अभी अपना बार और भी up करना पड़ेगा. So and competition is always healthy. Competition is always welcome. So सबकी अपनी जगह है. Yeah.
All right. So talking about OTT platforms only, what's your take on the censorship on the OTT platforms?
Well, मैं एक बहुत जेनेरिक बात बोलूंगी. फ्रीडम कहते हैं ना, with freedom comes responsibility, है ना? बट हम जैसे हैं ह्यूमन, जैसे हमको जब फ्रीडम मिलती है, जब आपको मम्मी बोलती है जो करना है करो, तो आप एकदम फैल जाते हैं. फिर आपको थोड़ी, आपके पेरेंट्स थोड़ा आपको थोड़ा सा कंटेन करते हैं. सो आई फील we have the freedom today to show different content, a different variety of content. But at times, we need to be monitored. But if we are responsible enough, we don't really need a censorship or someone telling us that this is okay, this is not okay. So basically, the one line that I'll say is with freedom comes responsibility. So if you have the freedom to show whatever you can, right now on OTT, show it responsibly.
Do you think that OTT boom increases the shelf life of the actors?
Yes, it does. See, basically, एक एक्टर क्या करता है, परफॉर्म करता है, राइट? अब आपको जितने जरिए मिलेंगे, आपको उतना ज्यादा, एक दुकान होती है ना, जैसे आप मोबाइल खरीदने जाते हैं, अगर 10 दुकानें हैं तो 10 दुकानों में वो मोबाइल दिखेगा, उसकी रीच बढ़ेगी, उसका शेल्फ लाइफ बढ़ेगा। एक छोटी दुकान होगी तो एक मोबाइल छोटे से उसमें रखा होगा, बड़ी दुकान होगी तो बड़ा होगा। इन द सेम वे एक्टर को जितने माध्यम मिलेंगे, जितने मीडियम मिलेंगे, उसको ज्यादा अपना टैलेंट दर्शाने का मौका मिलेगा। एंड शेल्फ लाइफ, मैं ना ये शेल्फ लाइफ एक्चुअली बिलीव नहीं करती। मुझे ना ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही समझ नहीं आता, सच्ची बोलूं, कि आप मेन स्ट्रीम कर रहे हो, आप आर्टी कर रहे हो, आप शेल्फ लाइफ कर रहे हो, ये शेल्फ लाइफ मुझे समझ नहीं आता। मुझे लगता है कि जहां एक आर्टिस्ट को, आई वोंट इवन से एन एक्टर, यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट योरसेल्फ, जहां आपको मौका मिले कि आप अपना हुनर दिखा सकें, आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को टैप कर सकें, आप करिए और आप खुश रहें।
All right. Okay, so coming back to you, tell us something about your upcoming projects. What's after Cash?
I have just completed my second film, actually. We shot in Sikkim. Again, Sunidhi, it is, मतलब Cash में जो आप नेहा को देख रहे हो, she's alpha woman and she's sassy, sexy, manipulative, जुगाड़ू, and you know, एकदम quick, sharp, witty, सारे contacts हैं उसके, totally 180 degree. I've played my second film, which I shot entirely in Sikkim. It is a psychological romantic thriller. Something, again, I've never done. And I can't talk much about it right now, but trust me, usually जब हम पहाड़ों में शूट करते हैं, सिक्किम हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड है, उसको एक तरीके से दिखाया जाता है, यू नो, जितनी भी हमने बहुत सारी फिल्म्स देखी हैं, इसमें जैसे कैप्चर किया है, it is very different. The filmmaking style is very different. I have Mr. Vinay Pathak with me. Wow. He's a veteran. He's a amazing actor. So Vinay hai, and Vikram Chatterjee hai, who is the Bengali heartthrob. So these both and me, and again a very different film. So I just wrapped up in just now, and now then I wrapped up Amazon Audible. So I've given my voice for a project. So again, I play that is erotica. So again, erotica I've never done, but I'm just giving my voice. So I just wrapped that up. So now I'm taking a breather to talk to you and promote Cash before I go on to my next project.